Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a high ponytail with some extensions. So let's get into it. And as you can see, my hair is a little damp, and doing this style works best for me on damp hair. If it doesn't for you, that's totally fine. You can go ahead and spooge out your hair. Now before we get started with anything, we're just going to brush it all the way back. I'm going to add a little bit more product. And once again, I'm using the Natural Curl Defining Cream by Eden. I'm just going to apply a little bit on the back of my hair so it won't look so dry. Now I'm going to take my Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel and apply that on the back of my hair. Now I'm just going to get the sides and the front so this can lay down my edges. And so this can be a neat look. And this is how high I want my ponytail. You could do it any lower, any higher. Do it as you prefer. And now that was just me brushing up some flyaways, and now I'm adding some more Eco Styler gel in my hair just to make sure I give it that sleek look. Now these are some clip-ins. This is real hair that I had for a while. I just took a few pieces and I combed it out. Now I'm just gonna add just a little bit of water just to make it a little wavy, just a little bit of. Hey y'all, so I am back, and as you can see I have on my scarf, and I did make my braid into a little bun because I found out what works best for me is making a smaller bun instead of doing a big thick braid. Okay, and as you can see I have my scarf to lay down my edges. Okay, so let's get back into it. I comb it out before I put it in my hair because I don't want to loosen the clips. So it's easier just to comb it out now before you put it in your ponytail. Now I'm going to be hiding my tracks up here. So it's very important that you get a color that matches similar to your hair because it can blend right in. So what I'm going to be doing now is adding some more hair just because I want like a thicker look, and if you don't have enough hair, that's totally fine. But for me, I think I'm going to go for a thicker look. So luckily I have some extra hair that I'm going to go ahead and use. It depends how thick you want your ponytail. So for me, I'm going to add 3 more tracks. Hey y'all, I am back with the final product, so I'm going to go ahead and unveil. Hopefully it turns out okay. This is how good my Eco is. This is how strong my Eco Styler is. Okay, and so, okay. My edges really lay down. So now is the time to do some designs. Now, if you don't have an edge brush, use a toothbrush or a brush, whatever works best for you. What I'm going to do now is spray like the comb part of the edge brush with some water. And I am going to dab a little bit of the Eco Styler in there and just style my edges. Now you can do whatever works best for you when it comes to your edges, but for me, this works best for me, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. So this may take a minute because it is very important your edges line up, okay? I am back with the final product. I hope you like this style. Now what I did was added some earrings for my accessories to give this look a little extra something. Now you don't even have to wear it only as a ponytail. You can wear it as a braid or even a bun. Now what I'm going to do is take my nice little scarf, wrap my hair up, and make sure my edges are secure. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Okay.